Hey guys, you know what time it is? It's time for wine. Hi my beautiful beauty babes, it is Asia here. Welcome back to another video. In this video we're going to be talking about the newest IPSY Glam bag. I know many of us, including myself, have been receiving IPSY Glam bags for quite some time now. We might have beauty bags all over the house. This month we're going to be talking about the April Glam bag, so grab your popcorn and your candy. I have chocolates, and let's talk about these glam bags. This month, this glam bag, April Glam bag, features this super cute yellow. I don't know, you know what? Beyonce did something to us when she did her Lemonade album, because anytime I see lemons anywhere, the only thing that I think about— stop dying! Anytime I see lemons anywhere, I'm not a part of the beehive. Don't get me, like, I'm not part of the beehive, but I do feel like, y'all, come on, this is so Beyonce. Like, this is, you know what I mean? Like, it's Lemonade. Inside of the bag, we have 5 products, like usual, 5 glam products. The first product is Pure Lisa's 2-minute watermelon energy pill. Can I do this IPSY Glam bag? Side note, since it's only 5 products, can I do it in 5 minutes? Is it possible?
It's possible.
IPSY.
Okay, Google.
5 products in 5 minutes?
Okay, Google.
No. Okay, set the alarm.
Got it. Your alarm's set for 4 p.m.
We got it.
Okay, consider it canceled.
The very first product is Pure Lisa's Watermelon Energy Peel. Watermelon Energizing 2-minute Polishing Peel. This is something you want to use after you've washed your face, or you know what, I actually, now let me not tell you, I'm not an esthetician. I would not use this as a face wash. It's not, it's a peel. So I would wash my face first. This is just how I would use it. I would wash my face first, and then I would put this on afterwards, kind of like a mask. And I think that that's the whole point of this. You smooth it on. It has these little grainy texture to it, but it's not like St. Ives scrub, okay? It feels good. It smells amazing. We put it on our skin. As you can see, it looks absolutely like gorgeous, makes her skin look gorgeous afterwards. It smells delicious. I really don't have a way to really describe appeal to you guys, because I feel like you have to feel it. But I do love Pure Lisa. I've worked with the company before. This actually, you know, most of my IPSY Glam bags are purchased, well, all of my IPSY Glam bags, the bags are purchased by me, so this was actually purchased with my own money. But I do have a standing relationship with Pure Lisa, and I would tell you guys that I absolutely love it, even if I didn't have a relationship with them. Second product, Tarte Base Tape. Okay, double duty. It's called Double Duty Beauty, and I don't know why it's double duty. Maybe because, did I say double duty booty? I don't really know why it's double duty beauty. Maybe because it's a hydrating primer. It's supposed to moisturize and prime. That's probably why it's double duty. Okay, so I was really intrigued. Anything for my skin tone that is of a white consistency, I automatically get scared. Y'all know I stay away from lighter products. I don't want flashback. I don't want to look gray. I want to look brown, y'all. I want to look like my skin color. So when I saw that this came out white, I thought, oh, okay, let's just try it, because that's what we do. I try it so that you know what it's about. And to be honest, I would go and buy the actual like full-size product of this, because I like for my primer to be a little bit sticky. This isn't too sticky. I feel like a primer that is too silicone based will slide right off of my fit. Like my makeup will slide off, it won't stick to it. This has a little bit of stick. You put it on, rub it in, it feels like a moisturizer, but if you give it a minute or two, it gives it a little bit of a sticky feel. And I feel like when I applied my makeup to it, it felt really good. Product number 3 that I got in my IPSY Glam bag this month was the IPSY Black Magic Liquid Eyeliner Plus Wide Lash. What is the wide lash part? Anybody?
Your lashes.
It makes my lashes wider? What does that mean? If you guys know what wide lash means, let me know. Otherwise, I got to do research to figure out what wide lash is. But IPSY, this is a dang good eyeliner. I mean, it's like, it gives me that perfect shing You see what I'm talking about? You see what I'm saying? It looks amazing. And that's all I need to say, because if you don't have one of these, I don't know. I think I'm gonna get the full-size version. Like, I really like this IPSY Glam Bag, and I'm not gonna take all of my 5 minutes to talk about this eyeliner, but it did make me think about I think it's Too Faced Better Than Sex eyeliner, and I want to try that out because I just do. Moving on. The next product came from Laura Sanchez. I actually have another, and I think it's from the same like thingamawomp. Oh, that green is in here. I don't know why I didn't use it before. So this is the smaller size, and this is the actual size palette version of it. And I have used this palette. I actually got this. You guys will see it in another video in my IPSY Glam box, because I am a part of the IPSY Glam box subscription family. If you are not, what is wrong with thee? Oh, that's my 5 minutes, but I'm gonna keep on talking. This is this beautiful green color. You can find Laura Sanchez online. I was able to use it on my lid space. It applies beautifully. The only thing that I didn't do was spray my brush with spray to make the color pop, but I didn't really feel like I needed to. I felt like the color was pretty dang pigmented. I'd never heard of Laura Sanchez before, but based on what I got right here, I would absolutely get her if I saw it again. The only thing about the bigger size palette is these are colors that I would not necessarily use every single day. So if I were looking for a palette that I would want to use on an everyday basis, this would not be it, because really the only two colors that I use a lot from this palette are the brown and this color right here, and all the rest of the colors really just feel like, but it does have a nice mirror. Yeah. Last but not least is this Balm Joule. It's by the Balm Cosmetics. It is a lipstick, creamy lipstick. Okay, look, y'all. In the footage, y'all see me applying this. I was having a little bit of trouble because I thought it was lipstick. So I'm putting it on. I'm like, why is this not acting right? But then I looked at the package and I'm like, it's lip stain. Okay. So it's not gonna apply like exactly like how a lipstick would, and that's why you might see me struggling a little bit inside of the footage of me putting it on. But one of the reasons why I do like lip stains is that it's gonna, once it wears off, because all of our lip products wear off eventually, it's gonna leave you with this really pretty pink look to your lips. And it's already started to wear off on my, like the actual like moisture of it is starting to wear off, and you can still see that my lips are a nice pretty pink color. So I really like that. And this color, I'll put the name of the color down below, because when I saw pinks, I usually stay away from as a brown girl because I just don't feel like they look right on me, but on my skin tone this looks absolutely beautiful. Alright, I took a little bit longer in this video, but in the future I kind of like the idea of us doing these 5 products in 5 minutes for the IPSY Glam Bag, and I might do the same thing for the Glam Bag subscription box. If you guys have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you click that subscribe button, and if you like this video, make sure you click the like button. If you did not like this video, you give me a thumbs down. That's okay, because the thumbs down is just a thumbs up upside down. And that's about it. That's all I got for today, and I will see you guys in the next video. Oh, don't forget that you matter. I needed to be told that this week. It was a crazy week. You matter and I matter too. And my pajamas say, can you see it?
Yes, you can see it.
Sorry for what I said when I was sleepy. Also, Iska, I broke a nail. And I was trying not to keep my finger in the frame because I broke it. I will be talking to you very soon. I'm sorry. It's Jolene's fault. I was in the chair in the car, and it just, I don't know how, I was frustrated. Okay, bye guys.